Hey guys, how are you? Yeah, this is Paul in Akobo. So I will be hosting someone today, our brother, Mr. Nhial Chot. So I will try to invite him right now so that we can start. Yeah, let me invite Mr. Nhial. How are you guys doing in your Bidos place? Yes? I took tea already, sir. Yes. You have white tea? No white tea here. Hey guys, how are you? This is greeting from Akobo. This is Paul greeting you from Akobo, Male. So Shaba Kamal, Shatian Kamal, Malnas, Ronwan and Binero Ikonoga, Nhial Chot Diang. So it will be online soon. Take a tibaba thiga jack kui manazama. So Malna, good. Yeah. I'm waiting for our brother Nhial. So Miniam, Malna, Akobo Male, Tidial Gauke, Tanare Mala, Commissioner Wing the Kamija Lamal, Tamaja Kamer. So Taji Takalani Ken, Jakani Takalani Ken, Yerba, Nathan Content, Devre Kalani Ken. People are so busy. Yeah, people are damn busy, which is very good. So jeneng go anoma doran mal ne go teleme jeff kane kon ba shamal nok ne go tama ba lib ni damanan ko ba invited then bana discussion bana jabato. Yeah. Nhial me gujinga, I already started the live session. I'm just waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. Are you ready? Send me a message if you are ready. Yeah. So I'm trying to add, let me add meow. Yeah, what does this mean? Allow viewer to request to join. I'm seeing, okay. Well, I wanted to invite you, but I could not see you here. Yeah. Okay, I'm typing the wrong one. Meow. Short. Nhial Chot Diang. Okay, I invited you now. So Nhial, I have invited you. Please accept my invite. Yes. I invited you. Accept my invite. Good morning, guys. Yeah, this is Paul B from Akobo Greenton. Nhial, I'm waiting for you to accept my invite. Thank you. Yeah, Natin content telling. While I'm waiting for our brother to join us, I would say thank you all. Shiloida tes kataku yen ko support kaje every day. So like Taloida shine de long mi lane. So nukot BLL palun ke liu shukodaling doran chenyoka mamale, which is very good. So chenyodan widun te doran. The Aryan Katek Doran, which is very good. Ka Doran ba, Jika, they are not disappointing us. Kaneti, Shamal, Chanokradian, which is also good. So, me no koda, ka Beshua one or Greentown will keep shining. So, no moneta loy, me dongba, and what can the man ben. So, ngayena otokon kapanani. Till our traditional artists, ke singers. So don't like yen nganen kel ke kere jok nitri kere jok aname. So we'll keep doing that, you know. Chika taka nok kacha ngajba o midunga and o de ngajin taka ke de preserve. So she can understand ba o nying bapke. What lai gara kon ka balang to dit long. I ka balang ada siya bata nen twar ka je kana wal. Kay chol chol good ay kamandan ala ken ne kon wala fel ke is like en twar ke chade malong rije todo like seriously detail la take 4 minutes 3 minutes stang one the lat ken does not make sense but nyine kon ala dit kente kon ka dit to go Mindel kon o gar go banaka support. So this is time for us now to pay them for the job well done. So the run your you know take a telephone the run your you thank you. You know you made my childhood very interesting. Ko ngayen ka nating one ka ye ken panana kon ka ta la ken tigduni jaka especially me michina wa ka tina with toy ngi golden cook and what warten. Yeah, network la da jega. Okay, the brother said he sent a live show request. Okay, I have approved. Yes. Let's see if our brother min ladan let's support our local artists. Nyo the jaka o tes loidun kaka. If possible, but run la moy kai. Hey brother, what's up?
Male,
Yeah, cool man. How are you? Shibagade?
I'm okay. How is everything
Okay.
and how is everyone in Akuba?
Everyone is doing good, my bro.
Very great, very great.
Yes.
I
Yeah,
have
so
updated for a while because of
yeah.
some difficulties within the system. I
Okay.
was not able to get your request.
Okay.
Then I was just sending you the request. Meanwhile, you didn't have any information about it.
Yeah, sure. Okay, so go actually that Shibin Kamal. So we are going to start right away without wasting time. Yeah, Kenyam Sheila Taloiko Shibin Kajanta Maname, Kashi George. Kalar all our viewers balada ke Taloi. So Mirrodu Latkobe, Jinga.
Okay. Okay, mimi amdene kondi aleganer. En raude a concern. But don't correct before I introduce myself. Before
Yes.
I post, and then take some people to let you and show is going to be live. using which language? Either English or Arabic, or the life is going to be in a new language. See, this one
My
is an
brother,
organization.
do not worry
Yeah,
yourself about that. Ma
yeah,
kono
yeah.
kon worry. So and message you go kon bana communicate. And when you can kon alted. Why
Yeah,
should we talk in English? Ma, there's no
yeah.
need. Why should we
I
talk in Arabic? There's no need. Why should we talk in any other language? So
okay,
bana
yes,
right ka thong nap, yeah?
okay.
Yeah. Ko message
Well,
dan guru but work ka nekon, yeah?
yeah, clearly.
Yeah. So go
Okay.
ahead, my brother. Be broad introduce. Be shodulat. Be go ala duba. Be a lot.
Oh, thank you. Ka ne ko di altin yang ke je. Ngan jalan yal so yang yo. Ngan gat kel ka gada ko. Pada mo me nana dini tin te diu me ba ka live show me ba la ka live show la executive director. Kama na Michelle Peace Empowerment Organization. Dum South Sudan. Ke Peace Empowerment Network South Sudan. Me Michelle akobo yang visionary for reform no one. Ka chiode da ne la let ke je no one. Yeah. And pardon me, let me go back to that question.
Yeah.
The reason why we should be addressing this issue or introducing
I'm on.
ourselves using the English is because
I'm on live show.
all of
Okay.
the all of the audience.
Someone. Nergi Simon.
Yeah, we do. Yeah, I know that
I
is
know
normal.
Simon. Okay.
Let me just address it. All of the audience that are looking for us or that are listening to this live show, many of them are Nuers, and the
Yeah.
concern belong to them. And the issue that we are going to address or that we formed the organization for is for them. Since it
Yes.
is a revenge killing, then a revenge killing is not happening anywhere. It is happening in Akuba. And this is whereby we are going to address this issue. It means once we need to address our things or our program to donors, then this is whereby we are going to represent ourselves or presenting ourselves using the English language or any of the other language that they can understand. Now, to rest of the viewers around the world, then you should need to be patient with us and forgive us for all of this live show that is going to be addressed in new language. And Malay 4D,
Yeah,
as
super
per
dear.
Chairman Nhial
Super
Chot,
dear.
Malay Executive Director, Akuba Young Missionary for Reform, Peace Empowerment Network, South
Yeah.
Sudan, Michelle Lefen.
Yeah. God, thank you. So become lar method baka kui manazam in kui la cup. Because our to get to again and jet to again a rondi. Cast take on this ya queen. Kanguna batisha lat barade. Ka impact the intellectual community.
Okay,
Yeah.
and thank you. First of all, Menandong de lar shukron, ke service in an little community dan.
Thank you.
Volunteer lila jeni, we ke amate ke few, jeni we ke ramananan, kanta me jinen si gorko bine hos ka show one man. For free. Tende
Yeah.
larne kon dialo wur mi chalo rod ba yoye, la de lora lad mi chene me. After all machine ite ko ne de ne manazama da ne ladi. Mu ko ben ka formation na da ne form ke manazama na me. Manazama form ke je ke de 23
Mm.
ka pai wora
Yeah.
2020.
Yes. So
Ray
here we
dor mi
have
chok.
5 years now. Five
Yeah,
years.
ray dor mi country.
Mm. Yeah, work over.
Me form ke je washa ya.
Yeah. Wow.
Anur
That's
anur
beautiful, man.
ni washa ya.
Yeah.
Then you know that ray kalko ke am ete me baby. Lani la ruli yo. Idea mo be ko woni ko le shol jala ne nyur washa ka de.
Mm.
Ne do ko wona ka de 25. Kuna jobu na te mi yale dina ke mi chale 25 December Christmas
Mm.
Eve. Ko you
Mm.
think the contact the dinner.
Mm.
Then from there, you accept. Kuna kun ti ko ke chama me. Kela de 23, ko na ko de 25. Kirme something like this day and another day to go to the date.
Mm.
Tune gorko bini yo ba ko tol. Ko yo ba ko tol di chawa bana kom ni bana karial ga. Come to range from guest of honor up to a humble guy. tane ke position mi akire da ambol guy. Then and kine jaka guess of owner, but 5,000. Chief guest but 5,000. The patron but 5,000. Kine moike mi senior advisor. Kine moike 5,000. Kine mi master of ceremony. Kine moike 5,000. Kaka mi ne create mi top ranking general. Kine moike 5,000. Kine mi tycoon. Kine moike 5,000. Kine mi
now, tycoon
kine
who
mi
yell 5,000 come on. That is not fair now.
Ramanan take silvers. Ke silver man. Kine
Okay.
jakate ka 5,000. Kine rame la budigin. A man with beard. Kine jaka 5,000.
You guys are
And many
funny.
other things. A letter about how address ka social media go makaji.
Mm.
Then kine you create no me kine go iko na me. Again me sort na dene you dene jaka je.
Yeah.
Then kine benial. Then kabana apply. Then you to apply based on tana and we ka position na mana addressing. Then from there you will shall yin garbel lam. You 30,000 year. Then in that case you join for Balajan guess of honor. At that time 2020 you 10,000 is something like half of $100, I think. Then we get 30,000. Then may your pin you guess of honor. Then you go on the you 5,000 your pin. You go on challenge him Rasdul. You 5,000 your pin. And many other manamba. You pay you to contact why your pin. Come your senior advisor. Talk your pin. From there, you win a mobilize. Then you know, the 25. You know, community than you know, Chot. Then you know, Belado, Min George, could not new care, Muda Bakajo. Then you are attending one. Would me use Kuntua, would me use a temple column, Biddy road guy, Keshele the Colo, Michelin to Michelin to something and to me your head. Then you attend. Then from there, you show more. Here, you better much your block. Then you need to know. Many Lunjo, you join con and shoot by chap. Contempt and them. Banamoika station. You need new Condia, Waba Chole, a Kobe young missionary for the phone. Then you go out and talk a Kobe young missionary for the phone.
Okay.
Then the money
So,
can quarter point. The quarter point la will Michel, Indian.
yeah.
Then a Indian, Kela Shaman, Jagorgono, Gonum, Gelgonum, Jagonum Gore. A $2 la Secretary General you got Michel Bielam Diet. You $2 or you were like the Secretary General, $2 Palwa la finance, then two got me a real wala deputy finance, then again two Michel Chua here Benela information.
Okay.
Then from there, you know you were calling him, man make you want again. May you want your young up and point. Like she person.
Okay.
Then that's your person, you know we go could be ambition for the take it to one to the
Yes.
so coordination offices talk about established from Ethiopia, from Kenya, from Uganda, then Jonglei State, Mukula Doran. And Manuko Bepin. A Changi service Bokula the community. After all, Kejoy Koya take a little one in a color. Let the connection a color education department. Kejoy Kote services in a Kalgatin. You can manage his building, but the Latin. Education Kineta Ganagat. First of all, you need 15 hectares. You need a call. 10 teaching goals. Then
Yes.
from there, we managed to brought them from Ethiopia using the coordination office of Ethiopia.
Yeah.
Then the machine deliver our community. The next time, you need teaching on the community. Then the machine invest in you. Recently, in a uniform, they done one. Kine real ka vulnerable kids children kita dul gora you know, 10 teaching gone. The celebration was also held within the Akobo Secondary School. Apart from Akobo Primary School, to make Mana Akobo Secondary School, but in a teaching gone, to make a to Usan well. The same thing Mana Walga Primary School, teaching gone in Dang the Kinegos of the Kinegos of the primary school teachers. Then Peace building, we managed to train the ships about the importance of peace, then the objective of our young missionary for reform, and the rest of the things that can bring peace to the community. Then the Kine Lanamaka Jaw Peace building.
Okay.
This is a formation of our young missionary for reform, cave brief of it. Then as per it, make a good coach Laman, a civil society organization. Civil society organization,
Another.
ka biography kine la ko activist form ke organization me a form ke 23rd of December 2020 me cha form, then we form it as activists to take over but then issue community, then we think of addressing all the issues using the peaceful means. Then it need by itself content of volunteers, then graduates, and some of the youth that then this due to unity that we started from the place, it
Yeah.
can also be extended to the community.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, this is good. She brief summary midungwa shelat, and it is also precise and detailed. Kata to yana kobo young visionary for change and reform. Kakobashinate kanenten konja kobo. I have seen my with my own eyes. Teshi alat. Many some of the celebration, but a celebration teshi alat chega me nyurji secondary, right? Me nyurji secondary retire celebration me a whole ne. So shaka nena draw. And tama, let's go forward. Ka management chiako garpin, min chiako pacha. So yen chia moike legal documents. Ke ken yen moike legal document. Lo no cha garpin tong mi ka Minister of Justice. Ke ngode. Ka what are those donors to kuyen ka target? Bia pan bia jewini. Ko bia kulo operate. Ka semitic areas that to guyen ka bia operating. Katiken. So can cause at all become around news convert. Nhial, you kindly request again. Sorry guys, Sidaman Ananial is off for now. Okay, Nhial, I send you the request. Sorry for the network. The guest decline. Okay. Yeah. Tell her the power is not working. Yeah, she was opting for the other one. That's what we are using for. Okay, Nhial, Nhial, I'm waiting for you. Okay, let me read some of the comments. Okay, guys, what do you feel about the show? You can write your comment, we read it for you. Sarah Ian, hi, Road Bayos Galwak Dinai. I'm watching your show from Canada. Okay, thank you, Sarah. Siloy Natep. Thank you, Sarah. Okay. Home, that is great. Okay. Jima, good morning. Good morning, Jima. Dakian, I'm watching live in Kenya. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Dag in Kakuma. Morning, Paul. Yes, Yen, y'all. Morning. How is Akobo? Akobo is fine, thank you. You are doing great watching you from Canada. Okay, thank you, Nancy. Chiloida Ted Baka Kobo Greenton. I think you can actually see the neem tree in the background. Yeah. Um, bring more of them, brother. Okay, thank you. Now look. Um, going forward, Paul. Okay, thank you. Bom Kotut. I send the request to you live show. Okay, that is good. Now let me check again. Now I cannot see you. I cannot see your request. Now I'll joga. Good morning, my legendary brother. May God bless you. Hey, me. Thank you, Godwich Bill. Hey there, I'm watching the show from where? Tell us where you're watching the show, okay? Mm-hmm. Where's Guy? Hmm. Okay. What it is? Bring them on view. Uh, amusing, keep it up. Okay, thank you. Do. Okay, I approve. Okay, let's wait for our brother now. It's coming again. Thank you, guys. Yene diale go ikako. Wherever you are, Shiloida Tedalong. Yeah, Sheikh Min Shianen, ka presentation there. Niall is a promising leader and a Kobo young visionary for change and development, care reforms, take a tea, shalati tangible, like she right na, she right ni kenabaka no malel, she can in your nada they can deliver. Ko ni time to be honest, young ning dual goro work me get order because of the support. They have done what most organizations have not done, even those working in Akoba right now. So they are so practical, which is very good. I like that. I like that. Niall, the thing is, Honorable, what is happening? Is it your network? Okay, Niall Belchar, Niall Bolchar. You want to join us? You can. You come if you want to join us. You can say I, man. Yeah. Okay, Niall, come again. Come again. Come. Oh, Honorable to add. They can be added to your show while a user is connecting. Oh, okay. Yeah. Before you, Niall, before you now request, you have to make sure you have a strong internet. Okay, Niall, I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you, Niall. I don't know what is happening. Let me check your message. I sent you request. Yeah, I got your request. Hello, what is happening? Nhial, I'm waiting. Okay, I think there's technical problem. Let me end the line, the live show, then I will restart when Nhial is ready.